Welcome back. Laser Photonics up almost 30% today. What a move. What the heck is going on? We last covered Laser Photonics Corp, or LASE. This was way back in early December 2024 at a ripe price of $5.50. And then it kind of went south from there shortly thereafter. But despite taking a little bit of a beating, sometimes you got to hang on to these penny stocks, these small cap names, let them figure it out, sort it out. It was a good underlying theme still going on with the company, and they've cleared up a few problems, which makes this suddenly quite interesting. And they just reported earnings, and it's not looking too bad. And this is a company that suddenly goes from an also ran and out of gas to having a lot of momentum. So here's the story. This is of course a laser type company, innovative industrial lasers. They're acquisitive. They're snapping up some other small companies and putting them into the fold, which means you've got a growth story that's developing. They've got some R&D engine that's heating up. They've got a big contract with the Navy. This is lasers designed to clean off things such as rust, corrosive elements. So working closely with the Navy. So they have a defense technology sector. And of course, there's going to be a little bit more to this story in the weeks, months, quarters to come with the whole defense technology, but we'll save that for a future. They have the CleanTech industrial. So this is things not government, not Navy, nuclear power plants, oil rigs, things that are exposed to the elements that need cleaning. Rust and corrosion from the outside elements is an asset waster. Keeping those items clean and free of rust keeps it free from denigrating in the outside. So it's worth quite a bit. Also medical and precision lasers and manufacturing of this. So think of things such as etching and into metal, engraving into metal. They've got the lasers for that. And also working on some technology within the pharmaceutical manufacturing process. So this is still an early stage company, but there's a lot going on here, and there's some new excitement. Again, revenue just came in at a little over $2 million for Q1. This is a 200% pop up. These are great numbers. They also are now into NASDAQ compliance, which they had a struggle integrating some of the prior mergers, the CMS company that they acquired in late 2024, which caused some delays in rolling out the 10K. They're caught up, they're in compliance, and then they made another little tack-on acquisition just a handful of weeks ago, this Beamer laser. Again, more marking and engraving type technology. And don't forget, Laser Photonics is a company with 87% insider ownership, so you're investing along with management. Let's take a look at those fundamentals and see where they stack up. So at a market cap of $44 million, this is a tiny little company, a little speck of a company, but they've turned a corner here. Again, NASDAQ compliant now. They've got their 10K out. They're making some little bolt-on acquisitions. And with the share price hovering at around $3 a share and a market cap tiny at $44 million, this poses tremendous opportunity. This company has seen its stock trade between $1.58 all the way up to $19 a share. Again, today, a big pop, nearly 30% in the share price. There's a little excitement to that, hey, we've got something here with a huge 200% surge in revenue, and management says there's probably more to come on this front. So we'll keep our eyes peeled. Year to date, though, we're still down 40, 45, 50% in the share price. Over 1 year, up 57%, and over 5 years, we're down a little over 10%. So there's a lot of opportunity here. Small cap company. The balance sheet looks okay. They're still burning through some cash though. So I would expect with the surge in the stock price, look for management to probably raise some capital with a share offering. That's one way to do it. They could take out some more venture capital type loans. We'll see what happens, but I think they're going to need some more money. But analysts are looking for, and there's not a lot of analyst coverage either, But there's one analyst with a $10 price target on the company. I would expect it with some new momentum and things happening for the company, now that they're starting to prove it to us, that you're going to see some upgrades and some price value rising for Laser Photonics. This is a company that's poised for some exciting growth. Finally, we've been waiting for a bit for this, and we've been looking for them to actually complete their Q1 and get their 10K out of the way and their Q1 done. We're looking interesting now. But remember, still an early stage company. It's taking shape, but they do have products, they do have revenue, and they've got momentum. And being that it's in the laser and laser photonics space, that's going to create a lot of excitement for this little company, Laser Photonics Corporation, or LASE. I have a position from back in early December 2024 that I've held on to, and I'm acquiring a bit more now at such cheap prices. I think it's a speculative company, and I think it's worth the risk. Let me know what you're doing. If you like it, or if you're intrigued by it, do a little bit of homework and share your thoughts. We'll talk again soon.